Hey guys, a few years back, Mrs. Kentucky Fried Fixes decided that she enjoyed mowing the lawn. So, I'm a firm believer on always supporting your significant other in the hobbies they choose. So, I let her, pick out whatever kind of lawn tractor that she liked, whatever she was comfortable driving. And, we bought it. And I recommend everybody do the same thing. Always support your significant other in the hobbies they choose. And besides, the more lawn she mows, the less I have to. So, keep their equipment maintained and let them enjoy themselves. Now, Mrs. Kentucky Fried Fixes seems to enjoy mowing the lawn, and I'm happy for her because if she's happy, I'm happy. So, probably coming soon, we'll probably do a video on rebuilding the mowing deck of a Cub Cadet lawn tractor. Well, that's all I got for today. Thanks for hanging out with me. We'll see you next time.